fucking hoe. You have oil? My bad, I'm ruining the audio.
So some lady threw a rock at his car, hit it right there, and then brake checked him. And then got off scot-free because of Florida statutes.
Okay, hold on. Thank you, Wheel Tech.
Wheel Tech?
No, not Wheel Tech. Wheel Tech is the one that did my tires.
Okay, so all those metal shavings coming out of his lugs because somebody doesn't know how to do their job. Stripped ass lugs too. Oh, let me go video.
Those bolts are brand new.
Let's check out this one. Yippee. Alright. Arrived with the paint marker. Thank you, sir.
Paint dealer.
I'm gonna put like right here, like 1320 video forever. This is 1320 video forever. I got the John 3:16 one, which is it's a Bible verse obviously, but Dale Earnhardt and then Greg Biffle. Dale Earnhardt, Greg Biffle, and then I got Dale Earnhardt on the side right here. So we'll just, I guess we'll just fucking whack it on here. Way easier. God, it's doing that
Thing. Nah. Just don't.
Alright, we got it all set up. We are now at some random ass parking garage in the city. I'm about to eat some Taco Bell. This is
Fucking bad.
This is how the night's going.
Wow.
Alright.
Don't be obvious.
Hey, don't look, there's a cop.